Okay, welcome back. There's about 30 minutes to go for the pre-open session. The SGX is indicating a 0.5% lower start. Dipan Mehta is director at Elixir Equities. He's joining us now to talk stocks. Dipan, great to have you with us here. Thanks very much. Good morning. Things have been grinding higher, Dipan, right? With the occasional setbacks like what we saw overnight in the US. What's the near-term thought process, Dipan, from here?
Yeah. Good morning, Prashant, and thank you for having me on your show. Actually, no complaints at this point of time. This is a perfect stock pickers market. All the bad news overseas has got priced into and the indices are at new highs. It's just that individual stocks have still to play a catch up. It's been a narrow rally, no doubt about it. But I think over the next few weeks or so, it will broaden pretty well. And we've had a decent earnings season and a few ideas have come through over there. I think investors should focus on stock sectors. And if they invest at this point of time with a 2-3 year type of a view, I think you should see very good outperformance over the next few quarters or so.
Okay, and just to follow up there, what are these stocks that you're looking at? Are you sticking with the large caps, the market leaders? If you had to, create a basket of say 4 or 5 stocks that investors can look at now, what would they be?
Good morning, Sonia. It has to be mid caps, no doubt about it. We are, I think, entering into a decent wealth creation phase over the next 3 to 5 years or so. And the best returns and the maximum wealth will be created in small mid-cap stocks. You could look at any sector, but I think the smaller companies over there will start to do much better than the larger ones in that sector. And apart from materials, I think we're very positive on all the sectors per se. And, you can go sector by sector. For example, banks and BFCs. While HDFC, Axis Bank, and the 3 or 4 large private sector banks will do pretty well, the kind of companies which can really surprise you on the upside could be something like an IDFC First Bank or a federal bank for that matter, where there's scope for earnings to move up even sharper and price to earnings, price to book to do even better. Then on the consumption side, we're very positive on retail stocks, especially specialty retail companies, the new listings like Canvas, Manyavar, Campus Activewear, Ethos, Metro brands. I think all of these have delivered exceptional results. They have a great runway for growth. You could add a couple of QSR companies also to it. Very positive commentary coming through from companies like Devyani and as well as Westward, the other one, McDonald's.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. And then there are such companies once you go down the line, I think, whether it's real estate, whether it's capital goods, or whether it is automobiles, auto ancillary, I think there are lots of ideas over there in small mid-cap companies. With decent management, good track record prior to COVID. And now I think they're just revving up their operations. So these are great times for someone who's prepared to put in the hard work and research good quality stocks and invest in them with a conviction over the long period of time.
Absolutely. I mean, when we spoke to the Westlife management last as well, they were so bullish on the business. And I think they spoke about a revenue of 4,500 crores by